This is Jason from the QuickBooks team. Once you have QuickBooks Payments, you can take payments directly from your customers. Let's go over how to add a payment option to an invoice and how your customer can pay you online. Then we'll show how to find more info on all the deposits you receive from QuickBooks Payments, where you can set up instant deposits to get your money faster if you want, and what you need to do to keep your books accurate. Finally, we'll show you some other videos where you can learn how to use QuickBooks Payments to take mobile payments, issue payment links, and create recurring invoices. If you still need to sign up for QuickBooks Payments, you can learn how to do that here. First, let's add a Pay Online option to an invoice. Select New and Invoice. Make sure your payment options are turned on. If they are, you'll see them here. If not, go to Payment Methods and toggle on the payment methods you want to offer your customer. Then fill out your invoice. If you need help filling out the invoice, see the link at the end of this video. When you're done, send it to your customer. Your customer will receive an email with a link to pay your invoice using any of the payment methods you selected. Go to Deposits to see more info about the payments you're receiving. Note that your navigation may look like this. Each day, QuickBooks Payments combines all the payments that are processed that day into a single deposit. You'll see each sale or payment that is part of the daily deposit, along with the fees, which are charged with a separate transaction. It can take a few days for this money to show up in your bank account, but if you want it faster, you can set up instant deposits here and get your money the same day. When the money hits your bank account, you'll see your deposit in your transactions feed if you have your bank account connected to QuickBooks. You just need to confirm it, and your books are up to date. You can also use QuickBooks Payments to take payments from your phone using our card reader. Create and send out one-time payment links that you can send or text to customers, and send out recurring invoices that your customers set up to autopay when they're due. These videos will show you how.